Hey guys, welcome back to the Tenorshare channel. Apple has officially released iOS 27 Public Beta 1, bringing the brand new Siri AI along with many other exciting features. But before you tap update, there's something you should know. Many users are finding that the iOS 27 Public Beta update either doesn't appear or it fails because there isn't enough available storage. So in this video, I'll explain why this happens, how much space you actually need, and the easiest ways to free up storage or install iOS 27 Public Beta successfully. Let's get started. Before installing iOS 27 Public Beta, there are a couple of things worth knowing. First, iOS 27 Public Beta 1 is based on Developer Beta 3. That means Public Beta users are getting all the new features, improvements, and bug fixes that Apple introduced during the first 3 Developer Beta releases. Another thing many users notice is the download size. If you're upgrading from iOS 26, the iOS 27 Public Beta firmware can be around 22 gigabytes. That's because this is a major system upgrade rather than a small incremental update. During the installation process, iOS also needs additional temporary space to verify and prepare the update. So even if your iPhone appears to have enough available storage, the installation may still fail if there isn't enough working space. That's why checking and freeing up storage before updating is always recommended. If your storage is almost full, it's a good idea to clean it up before installing iOS 27. You can start with Apple's built-in methods. Delete apps you no longer use. Remove large videos and downloads. Clear Safari website data. Review messages attachments. However, these methods can take quite a while, especially if you're trying to figure out what's using all your storage. A faster option is Tenorshare iCare Phone. Connect your iPhone to your computer. Open iCare Phone. Go to the Free Up Space section. The software scans your device and helps remove junk files, system cache, temporary files, crash logs, outdated update packages, and other unnecessary data. It can also help you find large files and duplicate photos much more quickly than doing everything manually. After cleaning up, you'll usually have enough available storage to install iOS 27 Public Beta normally. But what if you've already cleaned up your iPhone and still can't free enough storage? In that case, you can install iOS 27 Public Beta directly with Tenorshare ReiBoot. Connect your iPhone to your computer. Open ReiBoot. Choose iOS Upgrade/Downgrade. Select Upgrade. ReiBoot will automatically detect the latest iOS 27 firmware. If you see iOS 27 Beta 3, don't worry. That's the same build as iOS 27 Public Beta 1 and includes all the new features and improvements introduced during the first 3 beta releases. Download the firmware, then click Initiating Upgrade. Because ReiBoot downloads and installs the firmware directly through your computer, you don't need to reserve as much temporary storage on your iPhone as you do with the standard OTA update. That makes it much easier to upgrade devices that are running low on available storage. In just a few minutes, your iPhone will restart with iOS 27 Public Beta installed. And that's how you can get your iPhone ready for iOS 27 Public Beta and install it successfully. Now I'd love to hear from you. Are you updating to iOS 27 Public Beta for the new Siri AI? Or is there another feature you're most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Tenorshare channel for more iOS 27 tips, fixes, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.